yeah, we about to get into it. We about to get into it. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's about that time. Let's get into it. Let's do it. YouTube! What's going on, YouTube, y'all? It's your boy Lingoboomin coming back at y'all with another YouTube video. I think I finished just say Lingo, but whatever. It's your boy Lingoboomin coming back at y'all with another YouTube video. And today, bro, we got something special going on. You see what I'm saying? So you already know New York Fashion Week. Y'all see by the title that New York Fashion Week just passed. I think it was from the 11th to the 16th, if I'm not mistaken. And I know I'm kind of a little late or behind. I know I'm kind of a little late or behind with the shooting and stuff like that, but we're going to get into it. We still going to get what's going on. So let's get into it. So let's just talk about Fashion Week. Let's talk fashion. And I'm also going to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, fashion for beginners. Like, show y'all, like, guidelines. I mean, well, show y'all, like, kind of like what I do for fashion. Because, you know, a lot of people just, I know I'm fashionable, so I don't really need to care about a lot of people. But a lot of people just, like, look at me and be like, bro, how you put that together? How you do like that? How you do that like that? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give y'all that. So we're gonna tie it all in together. Like I say all the time, if you're new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. First, I want to touch in on this brand called, I'm putting y'all on to a lot of these brands too, so y'all know where y'all getting it from. Let's talk about Gold Vintage. Gold Vintage, man. Gold Vintage not too long ago recently just did a pop-up shop in Houston. And that's the brand that y'all know as Raspberry. Everybody call it Raspberry because, I mean, they got a lot of Raspberry. But Golden Vintage Gallery is their Instagram. So, yeah, man, I just feel like, bro, like, they've been on a tear, bro, with just, like, the way they're doing things, the way that they're, like, dropping heat after heat after heat. They really got some fashion pieces. They really got some stuff that's really they really tapped in. Yeah, they got some fire pieces. They still got that bag, because, you know, Baggy is in right now, so Baggy still, like, I'm looking at their story right now, like, they got stuff that looks crazy. Going into the fall winter time, this is the time for, I'm not gonna lie to you, going into, let me tell y'all something about fall winter. Fall winter is for the real steppers, the real dressers, the real people who really put it on. If you're not putting it on like this year, like I'm finna put it on this year, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you, because we really about to get into it. Like, us fashion niggas that really do this shit, like us fashion, like niggas that put it on for the fashion, that really put it on for the fashion, really gonna get into it this year. And I feel like Golden Vintage, aka Raspberry, they gonna do it for the fall. Also, I seen that Yachty just did a pop-up with the Air Forces that he did with Slon, if I'm not mistaken. Is that his name? Yeah, Slon. The Slon and Yachty Air Forces. Whoa. The Slon and Yachty Air Forces look cool. Like, I think that's a really cool piece. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section, because the Slon joints was kind of alright. Them joints was kind of pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? So, I heard it had New York in a tear. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, I heard New York was in a good little tangent, so I can't even lie about that. But, you know, man, like, yeah, bro, like, it was pretty cool. I'm jacking it. I'm thinking that that's a cool little collab that they did. You know what I'm saying? Cool little Air Force, you know, drawing. Yachty is getting into his drawing bag, so y'all see that Yachty is doing his thing and drawing and stuff like that. So that's a pretty cool, good thing that he's doing. Shout out to Yachty, bro, because Yachty always been that guy when it comes to dressing and stuff like that, especially with being outside the box. Like, bro, Yachty's been doing his thing. Let's talk Amiri. Amiri did their New York Fashion Week fashion show. Amiri did some crazy thing. I seen this picture by Usher where he was wearing like some he got the Virgil Abloh award, and he was wearing this fly ass like Amiri suit that was really cool. I'm not into high end, so when I talk high end, because I'm not really into it, but I do mess with it a little bit, but I'm not into high end. I'm speaking solely for beginners. Like, I don't care about how much money it is. Like, real deal steppers can put something on with $20, $40. Like, I mean, like this picture right here, I had on, I think that outfit, shirt and jeans was probably 50, 60, maybe 80 for both the top and the bottom. So it's like, I don't really care for doing all of the hootenanny with the like I just did a thrifting video. So like, all of this stuff I'm doing, I'm telling for the people who don't have the money, because y'all see a lot of people touch the big brands and all of the people. I literally show y'all stuff that for people that don't have the money. like the you know what I'm saying. I can spend 150 on a whole fit, but I can't spend 150 on some pants. You know what I'm saying? And Raspberry does that a lot. So if you're not ready to spend 150 on Raspberry, then don't go the vintage route, because that's I kind of call it beginner too, because once you get past 200, you're spending a lot on a piece. But yeah, so and know your pieces too. But we're gonna get into all of that. I wanted to shoes real quick. The Off-White Sesames, I'm gonna try my best to get those. Okay, if y'all ever seen the Off-White Sesames, the Virgil joints, the Off-White Sesame Air Force Ones, yes, those have to come on. Those are a beautiful shoe. Can't even lie to you. I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be a cool shoe. But since we talking New York and fashion and Virgil, I just wanted to bring that up. All right, so y'all don't know this, but I am a big Quan fan. Shout out to Quan. I'm not a big Quan fan, but I am very much a supporter of Quan. I fuck with what he does. The fashion sense as well too. Shout out to Quan. Quan been that guy for a minute on the fashion tip, just on the lifestyle tip. So shout out to Quan. But I've seen he was wearing this hoodie by, I think they're called Acclimate. I think they're called Acclimate. So shout out to them at Acclimate. I seen that and I thought that was a pretty cool, since Quan was in New York around Fashion Week time. I seen he dropped some banger flicks out there. And I think it was pretty cool. So shout out to Quan for doing that. That was pretty cool of him to just kind of like, you know what I'm saying, branch out and do some cool little vibey things out there. Ship this year is out. So yeah, like shout out to Quan for doing that. Let's talk Kid Super. Kid Super had his little event and whatnot. You know what's happening, what's going on. Kid Super had his fashion show joint. Shout out to Kid Super. A lot of people showed out. Lauryn Hill, Busta Rhymes, ASAP Ferg, and a lot of people that really joined out and did their thing. So shout out to Kid Super. Kid Super also was the one that did the collab with the Bape collab with Castanet and them. Well, when they did their little pictures for that, that was a fire shoot. Fire shoot. I still have yet to see a shoot that was that has been fire like that one. Cause that Kid Super Bape collab, and then having Kai Castanet and Ray model it, that was fire. So I like seeing stuff like that. I like when stuff like that just happens and it organic like fashions. I like pieces like that. Of course y'all know Baggy is there, so y'all know that things is always gonna be, you know what I'm saying, overly. Shout out to Miles Baguette too. That's who I want to get into when I keep saying my guy. But shout out to Miles Baguette. I fuck with Miles a lot. Miles is pretty cool. He's a really cool dude. Probably up there in the fashion. But yeah, that's all I got on New Year Fashion Week, because New Year Fashion Week was kind of like to me this year. But they did a couple of good things. A couple of things was cool, and a couple of things I was like, eh. So let's talk dressing for beginners. Dressing for beginners and the people that want to get into the fashion or don't know where to start. This is how I tell people. So I don't know if this will help y'all, but everybody that I've told this help. So I'm gonna help y'all with it. Now, cool. What I like doing is looking for inspiration in people, or your number one thing when you're trying to dress is be yourself. When I say be yourself, I mean be what you like. Like if you see Quan and you like the way his baggy pants look, or you see Miles and you like the way that he wear his boots or whatever you like I like those boots. Hone in on that and kind of work around what you like, because you're wearing it. And be open to doing like crazy shit. Like I put a boot on that I've got head tilts because it's like they feel like that's a woman boot, but I thought it was fire. I thought it was flavor, and I put it with it, and it worked for me, and I liked it. You know what I'm saying? But man, you gotta hone in on what you like, because you can get lost in trying to mimic and wear everything like everybody else. Like try and do stuff and make sure that you're doing it for you, because a lot of people just do stuff and it don't even be, you know what I'm saying, it don't even be worth it them, because they're not doing it like for them. Everybody's dressed the same. Everybody's wearing jerseys, big jeans, and clogs. Everybody's doing that. So just because you like it, yeah, it's cool for some everyday wear on some calm, but have your own flavor, have your own style. Do something different. Like if you're gonna wear baggy, go tight up top with a little oop, or find somebody that you love that really you can go in on. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like if you mess with how Yachty do the different colors or texture patterns, because if y'all don't know, Yachty is the reason most of these people are calling themselves fashion people, or they're into the fashion, because when Yachty came out with the big shorts in the Timbs, I don't know how many times I've seen that combination. I don't know how many times I've seen that combination. I even kind of did it. But my version wasn't big genius. My shit was like, you know what I'm saying? Woo. But I'm big. But yeah. Anyways, I feel like, bro, don't copy all the way. It's okay to take inspiration, because I take inspiration from a lot of people, even people close to me like my man Juice. So yeah, take inspiration, but do not copy, because bro, we can spot it from a mile away, especially if you're trying to find your own identity in this thing. Like, do what works for you, do what's calm for you, and people gonna look at me like, bro, I like the way you did that. So if you're in it, like the pants I got on right now, like people love these pants. Like every time they see me in them, they be like, bro, I love those. Like, it's just like, yeah, if I want you like it, wear it. Like, I didn't think that these would be one of those things for people, but when I wear them out, I get looks and people could be like, yo, those look crazy. These are for Urban Outfitters. So yeah, I want to plug out, you know what I'm saying? But let's talk about thrifting the right way. A lot of people don't thrift the right way, right? You know, thrifting is the thing now. Everybody got a thrifting store. Just like in my last video, y'all seen that there were shirts going for $100 in a thrift store. If there's anything that should be $100 in a thrift store, it's either one, not even that. That's the crazy part. Like, I don't even think Letterman jackets should be, even though I understand it, but the only thing that should be $100 in the thrift store, either a Letterman jacket, that type of style jacket, or the bill. Like, why am I spending $35 on a shirt if I can just go buy a $35 t-shirt brand new? That don't make no sense to me. I never understood why people modernized thrifting so much to where it became such this thing that you can't even find it cool no more. Like, you gotta go to spots that's just be like, oh, okay. Like, I have, bro, I live in Dallas. So 2nd Street is a higher, like, 2nd Street is like more known, and they have more deals than I can go to a private, like, smaller, like, type of thrift store. Why am I paying $30 for a shirt that I seen in 2nd Street that was $12? Like, that's blowing me. It always blowing me. That's why I'm kind of staying away from like a lot of thrift stores. Like, I'm staying to like the ones I know. And if you're in the Dallas area, just DM me. I'll probably tell you what it is, because you know what I'm saying, I'll be looking for them too. And if you know something that's like be good on the prices, let me know too. But yeah, man, thrifting then got so when it got modernized, I think it took the fun out of just finding stuff for the cheap that you could throw on that people could really do. You know what I'm saying? Like, put on and have it. Like, bro, I'm not paying $30, $40 for a t-shirt if it's not brand new, unless it's like some vintage fire, like some Harley Davidson. I kind of understand why they up on their prices, because it's Harley Davidson, and that's kind of like was one of those things where when the Harley Davidson wave was a thing, everybody wore it and brought the prices skyrocket. Why am I paying $75 for a long sleeve of Harley Davidson? I don't know. Another thing beginners need to know, besides comfortability and knowing what's you, I think having the confidence to do whatever without saying anything to anyone. Have the confidence to do what works for you. Have the confidence to say it. I mean, to talk, like, and try anything, bro. Like, try the different pants, try the yellow, try the orange, try the green, find different colors. My color been changing like crazy. I've been trying to find everything pink under the sun for the last, like, you see what I got, like, pink, bro. Like, I've been trying to find pink stuff for the whole, like, for the past 3 months. I've been trying to find a lot of pink shit. I ain't gonna lie to you, I still ain't posted nothing pink yet, but actually I did, like, but it was a while back. But like, I just love everything pink. Like, these Jordan 5s that's about to come out, I'm probably gonna do a crazy shoot for them, because pink been my thing. I ain't gonna lie to you. And yeah, man, test the waters, bro. Test the colors. Don't be too stagnant on your color palette. I wear black every day, all freaking day. So a person that wears one thing, like if you wear like black all day like me, or you wear gray or something like that all day, every day, and that's your go-to color, please step out of that color, because you'll end up loving it in the long run, because you'll look back at your Instagram or whatever you take your picture, wherever you take your pictures, or just you want to keep in your gallery, you know, you'll look back at it like, dang, my variety has changed, I expanded, I've done more. So always expand what you got going on, because you never know, man, it will work. So let's talk stores, bro. Stores that I feel like have good prices. I'm gonna give y'all a list of them, because a lot of people don't tell y'all where they get their stuff. They gatekeep, but I'm not gonna gatekeep this, because I feel like a lot of people need these places, because a lot of people just need to know how to dress better. Like, honestly, it's a lot in this day and age of people just not giving a hell about what they wear. So I don't know what that's about, but cool, whatever. Like, me personally, if you're not a fashion person, you shouldn't be on this. You shouldn't be on this YouTube video anyway. But whatever. Yeah, just dress. Urban Outfitters, always a good one. Like I told y'all, this is where I got these from. Urban Outfitters. Zara is another good one. I go for my shirts in there, sometimes jeans. Yeah, go there. Zara is another one for men and women. Zara is a good one. Urban Outfitters is a good one for men and women. ASOS. They are my favorite people right now. You get the deals. You get the, man, ASOS is so good. I wish people knew how good ASOS is. Like, ASOS is so good. I'm going to just leave it at that, and I'm going to let y'all surf, because I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret. If you go look at my Instagram right now, probably 5 out of 10. If you scroll down and look at 15 posts, 5 out of 10 of those posts have ASOS something in it, right? Yeah. So go check out ASOS. That's a good one. Thrifting is always gonna be a good one. I'm always recommend thrifting for everybody. Thrifting's always gonna be good. So yeah, man, like I said, bro, just find what works for you. Cropped has always been my thing right now. Baggy has been my thing for a minute. So crop, baggy, all of that hootenanny, bro, it's been my thing for a minute. Like I said, y'all, make sure y'all be original. Make sure y'all doing what works for y'all, because at the end of the day, like, you're wearing it. Again, y'all, like I was saying, man, make sure you find what works for you. Make sure you find what works for you. Find the comfortability in that. Know where the cheap sites is to kind of do what you want to do. Backgrounds. Make sure your background match what you got going on, because a lot of people don't know that the framework of how you're taking your pictures and doing your thing, the framework of where you're setting up. Like, if y'all see my pictures, y'all know that all of my pictures have a certain background that's like, oh yeah, it stands out, makes the pictures look better. So yeah, make sure y'all doing all of that too. And yeah, man, that's the guide, bro. Like, stay true to you, keep going out there, stay dangerous, keep putting that shit on, and I love y'all to death. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all so much. I'm gonna end the video right there, because I feel like I gave y'all enough gems. Near Fashion Week, like I said, it was cool. It was looking alright, but yeah, make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, take this in and like really do it the right way. Because if you don't, I'm coming for you. Oh yeah, and another thing, my man Stephen Guthrie. Shout out to Stephen Guthrie. Salute to the bro. Balenciaga has these scents out now. So these scents, very fire. They're expensive, $320. So if that's not in your price range, then did it. But I want to go smell some, because the way he described it made me want to go smell this one. So I'm gonna smell it, see if it's worth the investment to buy that cologne, and if it's worth it, I'm definitely gonna buy that cologne and see how long it lasts. Or maybe I'm gonna just wait until he drops the video and tells me how long it lasts, because he's supposed to be dropping the video on that. But I digress. But yeah, shout out to Stephen Guthrie, because that's the pro. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. It's your boy Lingo. Talk to y'all soon. Peace. I came back for that little hope. 5 damn chase. Got a mouth full of silver like I'm second.